Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Gemini in Google AI Studio in 2026. First, open your web browser and visit *A Studio, Google.com ***. Sign in with your Google account to access the Google AI Studio dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click ***new prompt ***, or create prompt ***. At the top of the page, you'll see a model selector. Click it and choose a Gemini model that best fits your task. Depending on your account, you may see different Gemini models optimized for speed, reasoning, coding, or multimodal tasks. After selecting a model, type your prompt into the input box. For example, you can ask Gemini to write an article, summarize a document, generate code, explain complex topics, translate text, or brainstorm ideas. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. When your prompt is ready, click the *** run *** or send *** button. Gemini will process your request and generate a response within a few seconds. If the response isn't exactly what you need, refine your prompt by adding more details or asking Gemini to rewrite, expand, simplify, or change the tone. You can also adjust model settings like temperature and output length to customize the responses. One of Gemini's most powerful features is its ability to work with multiple types of content. Depending on the model you're using, you may be able to provide text, images, or other supported inputs to get richer and more accurate results. If you're a developer, you can click Get Code * to generate API examples in languages like Python or JavaScript. Simply copy the sample code, add your API key, and integrate Gemini into your own application. That's it. You now know how to use Gemini in Google AI Studio. Experiment with different prompts and models to discover what works best for your projects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.